Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making creamy beef and shrimp pasta. This meal will get you a marriage proposal, so keep watching. So here I am preparing to boil the pasta. I'm just adding some water and salt to the saucepan, and then I'm going to cook the pasta off camera. Please go to this description section to see the recipe for this video. So now I'm squeezing half the juice of lime onto the shrimps. I'm adding a teaspoon of cut garlic, some curry powder, and a teaspoon of thyme. I'm adding about a tablespoon or two of red sliced onions and some parsley leaves, a handful of parsley leaves, and a cube of chicken stock. I'm adding some salt to taste. And now I'm mixing up the mixture, the shrimps with the spices and everything else in there, the juices, mixing it all up to make sure it's well marinated. And after, I'm going to place it in the fridge to marinate for 38 minutes. So back to the pasta. The pasta is cooked and I'm adding some oil of your choice to make sure it doesn't stick or clump together. I cooked the minced beef off the camera to save time, and also I cooked the beef off the camera. It's just simple. I cooked the beef with salt and some spices of choice, and the minced meat I fried it with onions, salt, thyme, and a little bit of curry powder. Now the shrimp is ready. It's been marinated for 30 minutes, so now I'm going to fry it. And I'm using avocado oil here. You could use any oil of choice, it doesn't matter. So I'm just making sure that the prawns are well covered in oil and they're not just stuck to the saucepan. Stir your shrimps occasionally. So now I am going to make the creamy sauce. I'm using heavy whipping cream, and I used about 2 cups. And I'm adding some mozzarella cheese to it. This is about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. When you're cooking this, make sure you're using a non-stick saucepan. This has a very high tendency to stick, so it's best to use a non-stick saucepan to cook this. So I had to split this into 2, and I used a second saucepan to make sure I had enough space to put everything in. So now you start adding the condiments, the fried prawns, garlic, onions, thyme, curry powder, the fried minced beef, And here I added a teaspoon of everything, except the onions. The onion, I added 2 tablespoons of sliced chopped onions. I just added another stock cube of chicken, spicy habanero peppers, and green runner beans. Now I'm going to add my cooked beef, the one I cooked off the camera just to save time. And before you add more salt, taste it to make sure it's what you want. If you need more salt, then you add more. If not, you don't need to add more salt. And then stir everything well. Now I'm adding the parsley. Make sure you keep cooking till the runner beans is cooked. I'm adding some greens. I just added some colored greens. And I'm trying to make sure this is a nutrient dense meal. It's got everything, the proteins, the minerals, the vitamins. A very healthy dish. And I'm adding some steamed spinach. I just added juice of half a lemon. And at this point, this is when you say it is finished, because there's nothing else needed in this. It has everything added to it. And that lemon juice is the punch you want. That does the final magic, and that's when you say it is done. This meal will get you a marriage proposal or that business proposal. So now here I am mixing the sauce, the creamy sauce, into the pasta to make sure it's well incorporated into the pasta. And I'm going to leave the gas on the lowest heat and let it simmer for about a minute. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and comment and subscribe. I'll see you again soon in the next video. Peace.